everybody! Painting rocks is probably the most ancient form of art. Some rock paintings, for instance, those made in caves, outlived their creators for thousands of years. With modern-day brush and acrylic paint, you too can have fun exploring this hard-like-a-rock media. I'll show you a few examples with rocks containing inspirational messages, and how I approach painting rocks in general. First, you will need to find a flat, tumbled rock of an appropriate size. I start by covering it with a background paint layer. When the first layer is dry, I paint whatever I want, flowers, waves, trees, and then let the painting dry as well. I can add fine details using a marker. Finally, I spray the paintings with clear acrylic sealer to make sure that the painted rocks will withstand the outdoor conditions. Now, the only thing left is to give the stones to my friends. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers!